After the war in 1920, Pieper acquired Belgian patent number 285373 from the designer Hippolyte Thonon from Wandre. Pieper patented this same design in his own name in France on February 6, 1920, French patent number 526759, in certain aspects of the design in other countries. Thonon's design features a recoil spring beneath the barrel which is locked in its compressed state by a flat spring with a hook at the front on the right side of the gun, in order to allow the barrel to be unscrewed. Once the barrel is unscrewed, the slide can be pushed forward, lifted up, and removed. Pieper patented an update of Thonon's design in Great Britain in 1921, British patent 158886, which more clearly delineates the locking mechanism. By the end of World War I, designs with the recoil spring over the barrel were beginning to seem somewhat old-fashioned. The Legia is Pieper's first and only design with the recoil spring beneath the barrel. The gun is a hammer-fired, unlocked breech pistol chambered for the .25 auto cartridge, with the ejection port on the right side, an external extractor, and a grip safety. The slide is distinguished by two scalloped areas on either side of the top behind the ejection port and a sighting groove down the center. Like the Model BD, the Legia was available with an extended reserve magazine holding 10 cartridges. According to the advertising brochure, the gun came with a tool for removing the barrel. There are two variations of the Legia. The pistol was sold in Belgium as new Pieper. The standard 6-round magazine could be replaced by an extended 10-round pattern. Special side plates to extend the butt grips were also available. Nicholas Pieper filed patent 293774 on January 21, 1921 concerning a security, preventing fire when the magazine is removed. The pistol will be named Legia, after a creek that winds in a neighborhood of Liège. Literature states that this pistol is the only Pieper pistol made wholly at the Pieper factory in Paris. About 1,100 were made. Designed by Nicholas Pieper, son of Henri Pieper.